My name is Noah Hume. I'm a senior aquatic ecologist with Stillwater Sciences. As folks know, the Sierra Nevada has dozens of tributaries. There's like 8 main rivers. In the San Joaquin, we have our main tributaries here. And the Tuolumne comes out of the foothills at LaGrange, where a dam was placed in the late 1800s for irrigation purposes. But there's also the actual in-stream water uses by the salmon and the different animals that depend on it. Most of the early work was involved with how many spawners are coming, how many juveniles are coming out, what are the conditions affecting them, whether there be temperature or food. So actually a pretty long history of, let's say, monitoring data and then accelerating as physical processes were, the linkages between physical processes and salmon biology were becoming a lot more well understood in the 90s, and the districts partially funded work on restoration planning for the Tuolumne River. This involved essentially, again, linkages between geology and water, which is called geomorphology, and the disturbance or turnover of the habitat, whether that be effects on salmon gravels for spawning or riparian scour and recruitment. A whole bunch of knowledge has been gained over this time. There's multiple uses of this water. We have the irrigation uses that are well known throughout the local community here, the cheaper power, and so trying to strike a balance between the flow requirements for those things and the human uses is a challenge, and striking that balance has been at the heart of most of these studies and different negotiations that have gone on over this time. So this debate about what can be done is a lot about a matter of scale and a matter of agency, whose fault is it or something like that, but really it's sort of what's a reasonable balance.